Hi everyone, Dave Mitchell from Bayview Renovations, and it's the end of week 4 of our Pacific Terrace project in Mount Martha, and so much has happened. The project was slightly on hold for a week or so just to get some structural confirmation before proceeding, and that's all good now. So I'm in the downstairs main bathroom, and as you can see, all is framed. We've got our ceiling battens up. We're actually almost ready for plaster, pretty much. So all of the tile underlay is down on the floors. You can see we've got flashing actually around the entire perimeter of the whole floor, and that's because we're going to need to screed this floor. We have got underfloor heating that will go in, and then we'll put a small screed over the top of that. And then obviously, not sure what was in that last video, but all the plumbing and electrical rough-ins are fully completed. So you can see this in-wall cistern here and toilet. And obviously all of the wiring is in. We have all of our mixers, taps, and all the plumbing all done. We've got our PowerPoint here for general PowerPoints. We've got our PowerPoints inside our shavers. You can see there we've got our marks there for the in-wall in-wall mixers here, and then obviously our water point for our twin function shower. So everything in here is ready to go. We've got our flooring down, our new timber flooring that is, and we've just raised the height of that as much as we can to try to marry as good on this side with the tiles. The tiles might be ever so slightly high with that transition here. Obviously we've got underfloor heating and then tiles going in. And then obviously that's to marry to a 19mm board. In here, we've got in our laundry, we have roughed in absolutely everything again. So all of our plumbing has been modified for all the upstairs ensuite and everything like that. All of the plumbing and so forth for our shower has all been rerun. And then this comes across here. This is all brand new everywhere for not only the bath, but also the vanity on the other side for the ensuite upstairs that I'll show you in a minute. And then all brand new hot and cold water lines throughout every single part of this. It used to be copper. We've actually attached it to copper from here for the hot. And you can see here, here's our cold, and then we've gone here from there up. So it's all replaced. The whole lot's all brand new. On this side here, the security system is the old one that is deleted, and then obviously all of our new electrical points are in place. And then obviously we've just got one ceiling batten to put up. It's actually here. We just need to put that back up, and shaving cabinet, as you can see, is recessed in the wall from this side. So yeah, we just got protection down on the flooring here, but there's all timber floor underneath there. So this room as well is ready for plaster too. Just moving on upstairs into what is the new powder. So as you walk along here, there is now a doorway in through this room here, which marries to this door here. So coming into the powder, there is now a basin here with a mixer and spout, and then there'll be a round mirror here. And then on the right-hand side, we've got an in-wall cistern and a toilet pan that will go there. We've reframed everything. We've got a false ceiling at 2.4 meters high. And then, of course, we've penetrated the ceiling with a new 150mm flue. And that's so that we can connect the fan, not just from this room, but also from the ensuite, which I'll show you in a minute. We're going to connect both of the exhaust fan units to the same cowl and out the roof. So yeah, we've got power up in there and everything like that. So fair bit of work involved in doing that. I'll just get through this little section here into the ensuite, and I'll just come back so I can show you. So we've built this wall internally to the ceiling, as you can see, and that's where the powder room is in there. And it goes through to that landing out there. This is the door from the master robe, and it comes through now into here where the toilet, the in-wall cistern, toilet pan's there. And then obviously you can see all the plumbing and everything that's taken place here. We've had to relocate the stink pipe, because that's the stink pipe that goes up to the roof to let air into the line. And then you can see on the back of this, we've also relocated the lights in the ceiling so that they're all centered in the room. We've also relocated that light as well to give better light into the room as well. On this side here, you can see the vanities all roughed in. So both our vanity points and obviously the shaving cabinets. Shaving cabinets have power points inside for functionality as always. We've got a general power point here in the middle, and then on this side over here, we've got our shower. So big walk-in shower on that side there. So you can see there our strip grate. And then we've got this, obviously this big niche here as well. So that then marries right up and goes into the curve. It's literally in line with where it was straight before. So it will still look awesome. It's a frame inside a frame. So we haven't touched the existing frame. We've actually built everything inside the old structure of the house. So all the old beams and everything, steel beams, have not been touched at all. You've got this really nice deep window now looking out at the ocean, so that'll create a really nice ledge. We've got back blocks here for rope hooks and so forth. We've got on this side here, we've also back blocked for towel rails if we want to put them in that high or wherever. We've deleted the fan from here, so that'll look really good now. And we've got our sensor for the under vanity LED in the wall. We obviously couldn't get it into the ceiling, almost an impossible thing to do with this ceiling. Yeah, it's all looking really good. So upstairs, we just need to back block, straighten the walls. We've just had the plasterers through. They're having a good look and measuring as we speak, so we can really keep things moving along. So once again, we've got a shower here. I should explain a little bit better. So we've got our walk-in shower here. The screen goes here. That's what that timber's for the screen to go to. And then on this side here, there's a bath, a freestanding bath. So if I stand back a little bit, you can see that there. That's actually a floor-mounted tap that's got the mixer on it. And then that's our new waste point for the bath. So our freestanding bath is located here. Obviously, we've put this as close to the timbers as we could. Yeah, it'll look amazing once it's all done. So much has been done in the last few weeks. Feels like not much, but yeah, there's a lot involved in this project. A lot. But it's going to be really cool once it's done. I can't wait to show you. So again, underfloor heating in here too. We'll have to screed this whole floor over the top of that. Waterproof and tile, same as downstairs. So yeah, very proud of the boys. Keeping things moving along. And thank you so much for watching.